Hi everyone, today I am here again with a great work from home opportunity. The job opportunity is basically content writer in Swiggy. Yes guys, we probably all know what is the Swiggy. Swiggy is one of the biggest platform that must be connect with the customer to their favorite restaurant for supplying their favorite food or favorite dishes. That Swiggy website or that Swiggy company has published a work from home opportunity for those persons who are interested to create some content. So here the openings are coming out for the content writer. So before going to detailing in this episode, I am first describing in short what is the job responsibility and the ideal eligibility criteria that must require here. Then in the second part you can find out the website checking as well as the detailed job notifications, and the last and the third and the last part where you can find out the detailed job notifications as well as how to apply here. So if you are interested, then stay with me at the end, and if you are newcomer in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel by click the bell icon so that when I will put any type of new updated openings, you will be notified at that time. Hi, this is Udita. You are watching Udita's Classroom. In this video, I am going to talk about the content writer of Swiggy. So guys, let's get started today's episode. So in this video, first and foremost thing that they must record some ideal eligibility criteria. For the criteria, if you are going to be a good content writer, first and foremost thing that you must have the good English communication skills. Second is that you must have some keyword research techniques, and you should be expertise in SEO knowledge, isn't? So guys, if you want to know more about SEO knowledge and some good communicating in English in content writing oriented field, then let me comment in my comment section below. I will make another episode and another video for helping you guys. So the another part is that you must pass your 12th exam. You should be graduate or undergraduate, or maybe you should be postgraduate. Okay. Another portion is that you must have some excellent writing skills in English, and you should be experienced in the content writing field as well. Another part is that you must have some laptop and broadband connection, because you have to continue your work from your own home, because today's pandemic and this type of job is office job, but they will provide now. For this condition, it is absolutely work from home based job. Okay. Now guys, here the responsibility is because of the content creator, you must have some create content that should be engage some people, that must increase the customers or clients for the Swiggy, and you must have create some product and catalog team to plan and develop the engaging content for them. Okay, to emphasize their menu content. So guys, now let's go to my laptop screen and see what the job notifications and what is the Swiggy platform. This is Swiggy. We all know that Swiggy is basically India's largest food ordering and delivery platform. So before going to detail the job informations, I am always checking the website. But Swiggy is one of the most important and most known websites. I am not going to detail link the Swiggy, because we all know that Swiggy is authentic, and if you have already be the part of Udita's Classroom, if you have already seen my videos for the few previous days, you can see that I am already trying to checking the website review, because without website review I am not able to upload any authentic informations. Okay, website review is one of the most important things when you are going to check, when you are going to apply here, because it is related up to your career guys. So but in this case Swiggy, I am not going to detailing in Swiggy website review. So let's go to the career option. So after scrolling down, click the careers. You can find out home, opportunity, about, the Swiggy life. Click the opportunity, where you can find the lots of job openings, that is 70 jobs in 6 cities here. They have already mentioned in the city because it is obviously office work, but during the pandemic situation you have to complete your work from your home. So content writer, okay, click here, and this is the detailing. I have already mentioned all the informations. আমি অলরেডি সবটাই বলে দিয়েছি, তোমরা চাইলে ডিটেল এটা একবার পড়ে নিয়ে তারপর কিন্তু অ্যাপ্লাই করবে। ওকে বেসিক্যালি হোয়াট ইউ হ্যাভ টু ডু হিয়ার, this is the actual roles and responsibility, that is be the part of a team of a content developer whose aim is to improve the communication standards for the resources in Swiggy customer care division, and you have a role in defending the brand voice of one of the most inviolable brands today. You must have some proofreading here, you must have some editing here. Okay, so this is actually the role. Actually you have to content create here, you must have some proofreading here, you must have some editing here, and obviously create a brand voice of the Swiggy. But one thing is that proofreading, editing is not the part of content writer. Content writing, proofreading, editing, so different part of the freelancing. If you want to know the differentiation of these careers, then let me comment in my comment section below. I will definitely make another episode with this topic, guys. So now click here to apply. After applying here, you can find out a format or a form where resume you have to attach your CV, document or docs or PDF file, and here personal details, first name, last name, email address, country or phone number, address, current location, date of birth. Here they have mentioned that it should be 18 years minimum, so 18 plus candidates must apply here. Employment details, that as they have mentioned that their content writer should be experienced, so here total experience you have to mention here, current company, current salary, notice period, and expected salary you have to mention here. Some other key details and something you have to mention here, so that they will understand about you. And now after applying fulfilling all the format, all the forms, here click here I agree and go to the click the submit button. When you are going to submit button, then your this detail format is submitted to their website, to their official website, and after they will check your informations. If you are shortlisted, then they will contact with you through mail or through phone number, and I think they will take a personal interview, and one-to-one interview will be happened through the video calling process. For during the pandemic, they will not ask you to go to their office. Okay, and that will happen only work from home job, and as well as the interview should be organized video conferencing. So this is basically the job. If you want to know, go and apply here. I will mention all the links below in my description box. Go and check and apply here. So guys, I hope this video is quite helpful to that persons who are still awaiting for the content writer work from home, and for the good salary and in the good company. So this is obviously match with your criteria. It is a content writer post, work from home, and the openings coming out from Swiggy. If you like this type of content, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel to support my channel and be the part of Udita's Classroom. Here you can find out work from home openings, online money earning strategies, sometimes content writing tips and tricks, how to be a good freelancer in your career. So this is for today, guys. Hopefully this video is helpful to you. If you helpful, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Be the part of Udita's Classroom. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Goodbye. I will meet with you for the next day with another new episode. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Stay happy, stay healthy and stay at your home.